Using Asana as a virtual assistant can help streamline task management, track project progress, and automate routine workflows. Here's how to utilize Asana effectively for this purpose. Create projects. Start by creating projects for each task or client you need to manage. For example, you could set up projects like social media management, client communication, or administrative tasks. Add tasks. Within each project, create tasks for each specific activity. For instance, a task under client communication could be respond to client emails or follow up with client X. Set due dates and priorities. Assign due dates to each task to stay on track. You can also prioritize tasks to ensure the most important ones are completed first. Use subtasks. For complex tasks, break them down into subtasks. For instance, a social media post task can include subtasks like write content, design image, and schedule post. Automate workflows. Set up automations to streamline repetitive actions. For example, automatically move tasks to a completed section once they are marked as done, or get reminders to check on tasks at specific intervals. Collaborate and share. If working with a team or clients, you can assign tasks, set permissions, and track real-time progress in Asana.